The cord is a 2-wire 18-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the tool. With the cover removed, now I can remove the cord clamp. I'll pull the cord away from the housing, disconnect the white wire from the terminal, and the black wire from the switch. And I'll remove the cord guard from the cord. Now I'll remove the cord from the housing. Now I need to prep the new cord. First, I'll cut the wires to length. I'll use the old cord as a guide. I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires. I'll reinstall the housing onto the new cord. And now I'll reinstall the cord guard. Now I can reconnect the cord. First, I'll pull the switch away from the housing. I'll route the black wire through the housing and connect it to the switch. I'll tuck the black wire down into the housing and then place the switch back into the housing. Now I'll replace the cord clamp. I'll pull the pink wire away from the terminal and remove the terminal from the housing. And now I'll reconnect the white wire. And place the terminal back into the housing. And I'll tuck all the wires out of the way. And now reinstall the rear housing. And secure it with the screw. And that's how easy it is to replace the power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up